Did Wike defy President Tinubu's directive? Welcome, country people, to Synod Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification bell. E go ring once we drop updates. Also, make you like, comment, and share our videos. Country people, una go recall say on Monday to re-enter say the Federal Capital Territory Administration go seal many buildings, properties for the Federal Capital Territory wey don default for the payment of their ground rent for many years. And among these properties dem seal na the Wadata Plaza of the People's Democratic Party and also the Federal Inland Revenue Service. And tori come later that day say the President Bola Tinubu e come intervene say make the FCTA administration wey Minister Nyesom Wike dey lead, make dem give these people 2 more weeks to come regularize their titles, make dem come clear the debts wey dem dey owe. So make the FCTA administration go unseal the properties back. People come breathe a sigh of relief, say the president do this one well and e good. At least the Wike action, many of them believe say e dey despotic, e dey abrupt, and some still dey see am say e get coloration of politics. So with the president directive, respite come dey the place. But the tori when e dey come so, e dey suggest say the minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Nyesom Wike, e no obey the directive of President Bola Tinubu to temporarily halt the sealing of property when e belong to individuals and agencies when dem dey accuse say dem no dey pay ground rent for the Federal Capital Territory. E dey shocking to hear say Wike dey defy the president directive. According to the report when e come from People Gazette, Arábìnrin Adérónkẹ́, the technical assistant on broadcast media to the Federal Inland Revenue Service chairman, Zach Adedeji, e dey accuse the Federal Capital Territory Administration officials say dem come cause mayhem for the Federal Inland Revenue Service headquarters on Tuesday. That na one day after the president don give them 14 days, that is 2 weeks, to go regularize their paper. Ms. Aderonke, e dey talk say despite the Federal Inland Revenue Service say dem no be even defaulters, e say the Federal Capital Territory Administration, their officers dem come beat up the Inland Revenue Service staff and dem come interrupt activities for the agency headquarters. According to how Ms. Aderonke take write am for X, when e be formerly Twitter, e say despite PBAT's yesterday order directing FCTA to give 14-day grace to defaulters, although FIRS isn't a defaulter, FCTA returned to FIRS HQ to cause mayhem. My colleague, SA Protocol to FIRS chairman, was beaten up by an officer of NSCDC, when he be Nigerian Civil Defense Corps, with bruises and blood all over his body. Tori don talk say President Tinubu don already grant 14-day grace period for people when their property dem seal am, say make dem go settle their outstanding obligations and regularize their documents for that 2 weeks. So why these same Federal Capital Territory administrator officials come go back again, go disrupt the activities for the headquarter of the Inland Revenue Service? That na why people dey believe say Wike e dey overdo this one. Wike, according to some people, not be him be the president and commander-in-chief. If the president and commander-in-chief don talk say make him halt this unsealing until after 2 weeks, he say e not supposed to, if the report na true, to go back again, go disrupt. But another school of thought, they say, una know sometimes say these government officials dey overzealous. Maybe Wike no even know when im people return to the FIRS headquarters to go do wetin dey accuse them of doing. So at the end of the day, the buck na Wike table e dey stop. So even if im boys go back, go dey beat up people, they go put am say na Wike na send them. Country people, this new report when in the talk so, not be to cause problem for the minister so, because how can the president give directive and everybody dey expected to comply? The FCTA officials, they go disrupt, the activities of the Federal Inland Revenue Service. So they don dey allege now say they beat up the SA protocol to the FIRS chairman and a Nigerian Civil Defense Corps officer. They say na him beat am, and the protocol, he say e dey with bruises and blood all over him body. How una see this matter?